तो अब हम अपने प्री के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। Assertion: the surface wind spiral inward upon the center of the cyclone. Reason: air descend in the center of cyclone. तो इसमें क्या होगा, इसका दोनों सही है। The surface wind spiral inward upon the center of the cyclone and creates a low pressure area in the center. ठीक है। The center of cyclone is a calm area. Calm area. It is called the eye of the storm. Larger cyclone is violently rotating mass of air in atmosphere, 10 to 15 kilometer high. The diameter of eye varies from 10 to 30 kilometer. 92 question. Consider the following statement. In equatorial regions, the year is divided into 4 main seasons. इक्वेटोरियल रीजन में जो एक साल होता है 4 मेन सीजन में डिवाइड होता है, हाँ भाई होता है। मेडिटेरियन रीजन में समर रिसीव मोर रेन, समर में ज़्यादा रेन होगी, हाँ भाई होगी। इन चाइना टाइप क्लाइमेट रेनफॉल अकर थ्रू आउट द ईयर, नॉट श्योर। The tropical highlands exhibit vertical zonation of different climate. Tropical highland exhibit vertical zonation of different climate. तो इसमें statement 3 और 4 सही है। In China type of climate, rainfall occur throughout the year. Rain occur either from conventional sources or as orographic rain in the summer from the depression in prolonged shower in winter. Tropical highlands exhibit vertical zonation of different climates. Tropical highlands are mostly located in zone between 20 degrees south to 20 degrees north approximately. In Southeast Asia में और Eastern India में tropical climates extend north to near 30 degree latitude. Major highlands area with the permanent human population are mostly in the tropical zones. Example: Andes, Ethiopian highland, Eastern Himalayas, although the Tibetan Plateau is located in temperate zone. Statement 1 and 2 are incorrect because in equatorial region, year is not divided into 4 main seasons, and in Mediterranean region, summer does not receive more rain. Okay. 93. Anticyclone conditions are formed in winter season where the atmospheric pressure and air temperature are low. Winter rainfall in northern India causes development of anticyclonic condition low with temperature. तो इसमें both A and R are true. ठीक है। Anticyclonic conditions are formed in winter season when atmospheric pressure and air temperatures are low due to rainfall due to winter rainfall in northern India. In North India, during winter season, a feeble high pressure region develops with light winds moving outwards from the area influenced by the relief. These winds blow through Ganga Valley from west and northwest, which form an anticyclone condition in northern part of India. ठीक है। तो इसे मैच करना है हमें लिस्ट 1 को लिस्ट 2 से। फोर है इसमें देखेंगे तो क्या ऑप्शन है इसका, ए का फोर्थ, बी का सेकेंड, सी का 3 और डी का 1। तो भाई फोहन जो है एक लोकल विंड है एल्प्स रीजन में, Hot wind है ये, it is strong, gusty, dry, warm wind which develops on leeward side of mountain. Sarmoon is local wind of Kurdi Kurdistan region, ठीक है. Santa Ana is a local wind in California. It is strong, hot, dry wind blowing out into San Pedro Channel from the southern California desert through Santa Ana Pass. Zonda is a local wind of Argentina. It is hot, humid, which wind blow from the west across the Andes Mountains. Which of the following weather conditions is indicated by sudden fall in barometer reading? Stormy. Stormy weather conditions are indicated by sudden fall in barometer reading. It is due to the fact that the decrease of pressure indicates the advent storms. Stormy weather conditions may include the following phenomena like thunder, lightning, dark clouds, and strong winds. Whereas a calm weather condition is observed when there is no air motion or wind is detected. A cold and dry weather is usually observed during winter months when there is very little or no humidity in the air. The hot and sunny weather conditions are observed during the summer season when there is usually no cloud in the sky. Clouds night Cloud night are warmer compared to clear cloudless nights because prevent cold waves from the sky from descending on Earth reflect back the heat given off by Earth, produce heat by radiated it toward Earth, absorb heat from atmosphere and send it toward Earth. That's option A B. Cloudy nights are warmer compared to clear cloudless nights because the cloud reflect back the heat given off by the earth. At the night, cloud cover has the opposite effect. If the sky is clear, the heat emitted from the earth's surface freely escapes into space, resulting in colder temperature. However, if clouds are present, some of the heat emitted from the Earth's surface is trapped by cloud and emitting back towards the Earth. Consider the following statement about the roaring forties. They blow uninterrupted in northern and southern hemisphere. They blow with great strength and constancy. The direction is generally from northwest to east in southern hemisphere. Overcast skies, rains, and raw weather are generally associated with them. इसमें स्टेटमेंट कौन सी सही है? तो इसमें सेकंड थर्ड और फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट सही है. तो रोरिंग फोर्टीज जो है वेस्टर्लीज विंड है जो कि 40 to 50 डिग्री साउथ में होती है और ये परमानेंट विंड है. ये बहुत ही ग्रेट स्ट्रेंथ के साथ और कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ फ्लो होती है. हाँ. हाँ. The direction is generally from northwest to east in the southern hemisphere. The overcast skies, rain, raw weather are generally associated with them. ठीक है, तो ये भी हो गया. इसमें स्टेटमेंट्स में देखें क्या क्या है इसका. टेम्परेचर और रेनफॉल by which the type climate of which to which the data pertains is. इसका ऑप्शन है मेडिटेरियन टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट है ये. इस क्लाइमेट में is of Mediterranean type. In this type of climate, winter rainfall is a common character. Maximum rainfall occurs from October to February. During winter, the polar jet stream and associated periodic storm reach into the lower latitude of Mediterranean zone, bringing rain with snow and higher elevations. As a result, area with this climate receive almost all yearly rainfall during the winter season and may have summer season without having any significant precipitation. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा इसका. Which of the areas marked as A, B, C, D is given feature of the cyclone? Witness heavy torrential short duration rainfall accompanied by thunderstorm. तो इसका बी ऑप्शन होगा. The area marked by B witnessed torrential downpours accompanied by thunder and lightning because in this area maximum upliftment of warm air masses take place. Cyclones are rapid inward air circulation around the low pressure area. The air circulates in anti-clockwise direction in northern hemisphere and clockwise in southern hemisphere. They are usually accompanied by violent storms and bad weather. तो ये हमारे बीच आज की पूरी होगी.